What's up with the YouTube Legit Silly? Back at you with another video, and today we're gonna get right into today's video. You know, I'm not trying to make this video too long, but I do wanna give y'all this dope content. Now, today we're gonna be talking about how to cop the Yeezy 350 V2 Cloud White. Now, the 350 line and the V2 model is still going strong. You know, they got many colorways that's set to come out for this rest of this year, and we also had a plethora of colors that are already released. But it seems like the Yeezy hype is not dead. You know, people love these Yeezys, and I think Adidas are gonna keep on giving them to us. All right, so we're gonna get right into how you can cop. You know, it's not gonna be in a particular order, you know, but I'm just showing y'all ways that you can cop this shoe. The first way you can cop it is through raffles. Now, they have many raffles that you can enter online and in store. You know, you got your Finish Line, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, you know, those foot stores like that where you can do your raffles. And then as well, I got a list right here. You can go to In Clothing Exhibition, Kith, Dover Street Market, sneakers and stuff. And then Adidas also is doing a raffle on their app. So those are some of the stores that you can go on to and enter online raffles where you'll be able to get a chance to secure the shoe. And also on release day, you can get it from Yeezy Supply and Adidas. Oh yeah, with Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champs, you want to make sure that you get your head start. You know, you go on Twitter, you go to check-in codes on Twitter. You can follow them, or you can follow Insta Starts, and they provide you with check-in codes. If you can't get to the store and get a check-in code, that's how you able to get your 10-minute head start, you know, on those apps. Now you got to be a platinum member in order to get the 10-minute head start. And the way you become a platinum member is you spend a certain amount of dollars. I think you spend like $200 to $300, and you can get your instant. You can automatically get 9-minute head start when you sign up, and then you just go and check into the store and get your 1 minute, and when it gives you a greater chance of winning the raffle. And the 10-minute head start doesn't guarantee you winning the raffle, but it does give you a better chance. I actually have hit on the raffle with 9 minutes before because I wasn't able to get my 10-minute, but you can. It does increase your chances on getting the 10 minutes. Now, one way you can get it, if you say, man, I don't have money to go spend and to try to spend $200 to $300, you know, I'm gonna give you a little tip. You know, this is a little tip, a little bonus tip. Go to those stores, buy something using cash. You know, preferably cash. I wouldn't use card when I do this. I've done it before and it actually worked. That's why I'm telling you to use cash. Use cash, go to the store, buy a pair of shoes for about $250, or maybe buy 2 pair to total up to the amount you need in order to hit the platinum status. You take those shoes, take them to, make sure you use your information, your email addresses, so you can get credited for the purchase. Then you take the shoes to another store and just take them back. They're gonna give you your money back, you know, and make sure when you take them back, don't put in your email address or phone number or anything, and it won't tie to your account, and therefore you're gonna have the platinum status, and it's gonna show that you spent the amount you spent, and it's gonna remain on your account, and you're gonna keep the platinum status. That's just a little bonus tip right there, you know. Just for that bonus tip, y'all go ahead and hit that like button. Now, with these Yeezys, it's gonna be 2 pair coming out. You know, they've been doing like a reflective pair and a non-reflective pair. They started that series back when the statics dropped. So this will be getting a reflective pair. The reflective pair is set to release September the 19th, and the non-reflective pair is set to release September 21st. Now the reflective pair is on Yeezy. You can get it on Yeezy Supply, you can get it on Adidas, and then a few other boutiques. You'll be able to get it from there as well. So you just gotta check their websites and see if they're getting a reflective pair and a non-reflective pair. But most stores is only getting the non-reflective pair. Moving on to the second way you can cop the sneakers, which I kind of mentioned it a little bit, which is YeezySupply.com. Now on release day, it's going to be high traffic on YeezySupply.com. So one way I recommend for you to be ahead of everyone else is set you a bypass for Yeezy Supply. Now, how do you set a bypass? Now, the easiest way you can set a bypass is you want to log on to Yeezy Supply right now. Sometimes it don't work, you know, so don't shoot me in the head, you know, if it don't work. But this is a proven way that can work. You add something to the cart, you know, no matter if it's a pair of socks, something else that's on the site, you know, you add it to the cart. You go to checkout, you enter all your information like you're gonna check out, and then you exit out of it. So then when the shoe release, you click on the shoe, you click on your size, and it's gonna take you straight to your cart to check out. You won't even have to be waiting in line along with everybody else. That's just one way, man. If y'all want me to do other videos like this to give y'all tips on how to, like, you want me to do a video on how to actually do a bypass, put it in the comments below and let me know. Another way you can cop these shoes is add to cart services. Now, add to cart service has become really popular lately. A lot of people use add to cart services to secure their pair, you know, because we all know that bots eat up the shoes, and people with add to cart services, they're using bots, and they can help you get the pair that you want. You know, you just have to pay the fee. Now, one add to cart service that I recommend you go to is the 18 carts and slot services. You know, they over there, you know, they real big on family, and they don't try to hit you on top of the head with cart prices. They have fair prices, you know, they have a Discord, you know. I'm good friends with one of the owners. So, you know, if you want to get you a slot, go to 18 slots and cart services, you know. You can follow them on Twitter and tell them Legit Sully sent you, and they'll be more than happy to get you right in, and, you know, and you'll be able to get in and, you know, and start copping you some pairs, you know. Another way you can cop them is on GOAT. You know, you can buy them early, you can get them right now. They already on GOAT. They got the reflective pair, they got the non-reflective pair. You know, if you're one of them guys that say, you know what, I ain't waiting for release day, I just want to go ahead and cop them so I can make sure I got my pair, you can go on GOAT right now, you know. I would say StockX too, but it's been a lot of like shady stuff going on with StockX, and people have been getting their information stolen, you know. So I'm not gonna really, you know, tell anyone to go on StockX. You know, if you wanna go on StockX, you can, but just be careful, you know, with your credit card information. You know, make sure that your card information is secure, you know. But and the last way is buy a bot. You know, if you're tired of taking L's and you wanna, you know, increase your chances of copping, buy a bot. You know, there's plenty of bots out there. You know, if you want me to do a video about the type of bots that you can buy, you know, you can. I have a bot myself, but I don't really use it because I don't know how, you know, but I do. It is a lot of bots out there, and I thought getting a bot would be simple, but it's so much to getting a bot. You need to get proxies, you gotta have a server to run it on. And not only do you gotta have proxies, you gotta have good proxies. And then your setup gotta be right. You gotta have like your delays. And I mean, that's a whole video for itself, man. But if y'all want that video, put it in the comments below and I can get that together. So these are the ways that you can cop, you know. The retail price is gonna be $220 on the men's pair, and they are coming in a full size run, full family size run. So the kids is gonna be $160, and then an infant pair is gonna be $140. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for checking out the video, and until next time, it's Legit Sully. I'm out of here.